No, the bathroom like sucks.
Does it?
Yeah, look like ew.
Where the fuck are we at? Holy shit.
I told you.
Là tắm biển ở Đông Quang.
Dạ, tắm biển 2 vé.
2 vé 300.
How much?
300,000.
Rồi, cảm ơn.
You buy some water?
Two waters.
Cho em 2 chai nước suối chứ.
Rồi, 2 chai nước suối. 2 chai.
Đi hẳn cái này vô hả anh?
Dạ đúng rồi.
Dạ, 2. I mean like nobody here.
It's gonna be fun. Think I should take that, attach the camera to this?
I don't know.
Fuck it, it'll be fine. Oh, they turned it on for me. Oh shit. Oh, it gets deep out here. Fucking deep out here. Oh, that's not that deep. Alright, now we're in the kiddie section. Oh. Oh. Throwing this caterpillar's butt. This is like so tight in here. Oh. Oh my god. Oh god. Too big for this. Alright. We'll go down the slide here. This looks like it's gonna hurt. Oh! Just knocked my ass off that. Alright. Let's go check out this elephant. Fuck, this is deep for a kiddie pool. Aw, dude, look how crooked that is. See it? It's not even flush with the cement. Oh, this can't be safe. Let's go down it. Oh. That was fun. It is so hot here, man. Vietnam is burning up hot. That's why no one's here. Alright, let's go down this slide. Ooh. 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 Oh my god, go! Ow! Fuck, that is hot! Alright, we got one more elephant. Alright. Looks like the most safe one here. This will be fun. Oh! Alright. I went on all the rides. Let's go to the big boy park. I rode every ride in the little boy park. We're gonna ride these slides. Ow, this ground is hot. Fuck. Oh my god. Whew. 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 Oh my god. Soak the feetsies. Oh. Oh man, this is a big boy. This is a big one. This is awesome being the only guy here. I'm about to ride these things all day. Oh dude, that one corkscrews. I think I'm gonna do that one first. Oh my god, look at the view. Look at the view. Dude, this is sick. Big wind farm out there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, this one's closed down. Ah. All right, we're about to go down this bad boy. Dude, this is gonna be awesome. Oh man, this is fast. Oh my god. Oh no, I lost my shades. My woman's gonna be mad. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I gotta find those, dude. Alright, I found my sunglasses. My girl bought me these. She's gonna see this video and be pissed, but I'm not gonna tell her about it until she watches it. I about lost them, dude. They're brand new. I just got them like a week ago. Gonna take them off now before I get in trouble. It's my birthday present. I'm not gonna wear my sunglasses. I don't want to lose them. Okay? That thing is really fast, honey. Yes, like it actually kind of scares me. But I'm gonna go do it again. It's a close one, dude. It was a close one. All right, let's do this again without losing the $200 sunglasses. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Well, I guess the GoPro really is waterproof. Oh man, I can't lose the GoPro. I gotta hold on to this thing. Oh God. This is all bad. Nice. Got some bird shit, but it's whatever. I gotta hold on to the GoPro. I can't lose it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm just scared about the GoPro. I'm gonna try to get like the best shot possible, but man, it's scary. Alright. Fucking lock in. Fucking lock in, dude. If I get knocked out, whatever. I swear to God, my face like went in my ass. I like folded. Oh, I hurt my shoulder. I hurt my shoulder on that one. They banned this shit in America. I have to take a break. I'm fucked up. This is why I love Vietnam. I'm the only guy at this water park and they turned the wave pool on. Freaking awesome. So what do you think? Good, dirty, clean?
It's not that bad, but it's not that good.
I like it.
But for $6, it's not bad.
Yeah, $6 a piece, that's what gets you. I think it was pretty good. Look how dirty this hotel room is in Vietnam. This is a sex bed.
This is sex bed. For have sex.
I mean, I put my stuff on.
Fuck, see? More mosquito here.
Yeah. Oh, God, then why there's so many in here? What is this?
I don't know.
Is
Like,
it-
kind of dirty. Shit.
It's like a shit stain. Yeah, I was about to say. It looks like a shit stain.
Ugh.
I'm scared to sleep in this bed. I mean, I've seen worse. I've stayed in way worse in America. There's a bug up there. These things is what makes people sick here. They never clean them.
I know. Oh yeah.
Joy, look at this shit. This is fucking dirty. There's all kinds of shit up in there.
I really don't want to take a shower. I hate that room is so fucking dirty. See, more mosquito.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, that.
Look how dirty the walls are.
Yeah,
I don't know if you can-
fucking dirty.
I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but God, this is like all brown right here. There's a hair right there.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? I don't want to sleep in here. Alright, you got everything?
Everything.
Where's the keys at?
Here,
There's a key to the motorbike.
I keep it.
What?
Have an elevator.
All the elevators in Asia are like super small.
And this room is like $250 for one room.
Really?
Cheaper.
Oh, this already looks cleaner. Oh my god, this is so much better and it's cheaper. Oh my god.
Cheaper.
Oh, this was a good choice. Forward.
Right.
Oh,
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 maybe this is not free, but
oh! I'm drinking one of those.
we're gonna drink two of those free.
I'm gonna drink me a Fanta.
Look at the bathroom.
Fanta.
It's really clean.
A Fanta. Oh yeah, this is. Oh, they actually clean here. This.
No mosquito. Nothing.
No mosquito.
No mosquito.
God,
I mean, it's small, but it's better, right?
it's a lot nicer. Look how dirty my feet are from that other hotel. Oh my god, that's disgusting. And you have to take your shoes off in Asia. I was just being a nice guy.
Quá đẹp trai rồi, biết rồi, biết rồi, biết rồi, biết rồi, biết rồi, rồi.
Look at this guy.
Đi.
Hello. Let's see you go around.
Nè.
American.
Gì ba? Idol quá không? Idol TikTok quá không?
Anointing
Tôi biết mấy
dip.
người rồi. Idol TikTok không? Idol TikTok với bài càng á.
Hello, yeah, hello.
Với là idol quá không?
Tell him to do a trick with that.
Với là người YouTuber quá không?
No.
Cho anh coi.
Đây người Việt chứ.
Người Việt Nam. Chứ người Việt Nam rồi đó rồi. Này người Việt. Anh là người Mỹ. Chứ người Việt hả?
Tại sao nãy giờ ông nói là người Việt đi?
Hả?
Nãy giờ sao nãy giờ ông nói
Chị
là
tưởng mấy con biết gì người Việt, nhìn chị biết mà.
à, nói
người
người
Việt
Việt hả? Nói người Mỹ đâu? Chứ người Mỹ.
Không, chứ người Việt Nam thôi chứ đi nha, bye bye.
Dạ.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Tạm biệt mày ơi.
Bye bye. I didn't know I am Vietnamese.
Oh, really?
Until I speak Vietnamese.
They thought you were VQ?
Yeah, look at me with you. I think I can speak Vietnamese.
Oh, yeah. That was really funny.
That kid's so naughty.
I know, they were naughty. What the fuck?
Oh, look at this. Ooh. Wow.
Nổi nhịp rồi. Hai.
Oh my god. How can you do that? Very cool. 10 điểm.
Oh, more than?
Ah, look at her. Her leg is so flexible. Can you do that?
No. That kid said his name was Ni Hao. It's like, dude.
They really naughty.
Yeah, I knew as soon as he said that. I was like, dude, I know that's hello in Chinese.
Yeah. A little bit heavy.
Is this what your mom used to hit you with when you were a kid?
You hit me like this one or this one.
Oh, the big boys.
Really big.
Anh ơi! Anh ơi! Anh ơi! Anh ơi! Say hi to me. Anh ơi! He's on the phone, honey. Dude, that's a big ass boat. I want to get up on one of those and drive them around all night. I want to jump off one.